myself Chetan Sir. Today we are standard 10th English medium subject science chapter number 5. In chapter number 5, last lecture we have to study about Mendeleev periodic tables. Mendeleev proposed that the study of element, arrangement of their atomic mass, and two types of property can be measured. First is physical and another is chemical. So physical and chemical property can be measured. In a specially physical, oxygen and hydrogen is highly active, so consider hydride and oxide property to arrange atomic mass and their property. Now Mendeleev, the element can be arranged in a period wise, in a group wise. Period means what? So the horizontal line can be considered as a periods and vertical line can be considered as a groups. So Mendeleev divide element and arrangement in a group and periodic wise. Now Mendeleev that say that use the Sanskrit prefix, use arrangement time, Sanskrit language prefix, and the EKA means Ika. So meaning of in language, Ika means in a Sanskrit language say Ika and in a language is say that 1. So this type of element contain one valence, it means sodium, potassium, lithium, arrangement in a one row. For instance, after discover the property of similar to the boron, silicon respectively, the properties of that one, it means Ika aluminium, is a Mendeleev those element in some problem to after new element can be found, so is not similar property to arrangement of this periodic table, because the Mendeleev cannot arrange by continuously increasing atomic mass sequence. So we cannot say that in between two elements which how many elements can be found later and how many elements are rise between two elements, because of not arrange of continuous atomic mass. And another, so the after some times discover noble gases, it means inert gas like argon, another element like neon, krypton, xenon. So this type of noble gases or ideal gases or inert gas are found. So we Mendeleev that arrangement of these noble gases, so not disturb this periodic and group wise periodic table, is not disturb the element, and noble gases are arranged in a separate another periods and group can be created for noble gases. We do not disturb in this arrangement. So in a separate way you can arrange in a separate column or row can be defined, can be described for these noble gases. Now also Mendeleev experiment, Mendeleev periodic tables contain also some limitation. So discuss about limitation of Mendeleev's periodic table. So the first, after main problem for arrangement of hydrogen, because hydrogen in the electronic configuration of hydrogen is assembled that alkali metals. So the in hydrogen electronic configuration, electronic arrangement, or another word we can also use that configuration, assemble to alkali metals. So the alkali metals assembled to alkali metals, it means cannot define as a metal or non-metals. So hydrogen combined with halogens, oxygen, hydrogen, compound of hydrogen compare compound of H, compound of N. With halogen, it means NaCl, so created HCl, hydrogen. Now combine with oxygen, Na2, so it is a H2O. Another property is sulfide, N2S, so similar property, H2S. So hydrogen property, metal and non-metal, both property can be contain hydrogen element. So the hydrogen also exists diatomic molecule and combine with metal and non-metal to form covalent bond. So hydrogen means diatomic. Here single atomic and diatomic, both atomic property can be considered as a hydrogen, and metal and non-metal both property are shown in hydrogen and combined with covalent bond. So the first limitation of this element is position of hydrogen. So position of hydrogen can be not fixed, because which position can be right for hydrogen not defined in a Mendeleev, because hydrogen both property contain metal and non-metal both. So position of hydrogen is a question mark. Another, after some time discover isotopes. For example, carbon C612, C614 in a hydrogen. 1H, 1H2, 1H, 1H2, 1H3. So hydrogen 3 isotopes can be formed. So what is position about this term? What is position of this isotope? How can you simplify? How can you position that isotopes? So in the isotopes, arrangement of this isotope can be problem. Which position can be created for isotopes? So Mendeleev cannot be simplified than position of isotope, because arrangement of their atomic masses. Atomic masses means now atomic mass of carbon is 12, and after carbon 7 atomic number nitrogen. So atomic mass of nitrogen is 14. So nitrogen contains 7 atomic number and 14 atomic mass. Here isotope can be also contain 14 atomic mass. So the position of these two, which position can be simplified there? So cannot define position of isotopes. So second limitation of Mendeleev, isotope position of element cannot be defined very well. For understanding, for example, nitrogen contains 14 atomic mass, carbon element contain also isotopes of carbon is C12 and C14. So atomic mass of this C14 is equal to 14. Also atomic mass of nitrogen is 14. So position of this element cannot be defined. So two limitations here, position of hydrogen, and second limitation is isotopes of element cannot be defined, cannot be described in a Mendeleev periodic table. And in this point, means in isotope point, you can also written down another sub point of this point. It means the arrangement of Mendeleev is not continue increase atomic mass from 1 to 2. It means 1 to next element. You goes to next element. So the increase of their atomic mass is not arrangement of increasing continuously. It means so many gap between one element to another element. So we cannot define what is how many element, or what is element, how many element can be space, how many element can be space occupied, or arrangement occupies completely filled with two elements. It means cannot be defined how many elements are arranged in two two element in case of specially high atomic mass. So high atomic mass contain element. Problem created to arrangement of this element and cannot be idea about how many elements are present between